Hello everybody, so my name is Jason. Today we're going to be looking at my aquaponics project. Alright, there she is in all her glory. So, what I got going here is comprised of three parts. The first part, and the most interesting part for all you aquarium lovers, is the aquarium. So I got 3 platies in this tank, and I got them like late August, early September, so it's been about a month. And currently my issue I'm having with this tank is that the nitrite level isn't going down yet. And that's been a consistent problem. I've actually tried putting in some Tetra Safe Start, and I got the branding right here, and nothing has happened. The nitrite level is still very high. I'll show you all the charts in a bit. So let's go to the next part. The next part is the grow bed. As y'all can tell, I'm using a grow light. This grow light is a 24-inch hyper tough grow light that I bought from Walmart. I know probably super low quality some of y'all, but that's what I got. And it seems to be working because the plants are growing for sure, especially the mint. The mint plant is actually very green whenever I turn this light off. Now the next part are these little mint clippings. I'm having a small issue with the mint clippings because whenever they're a little, you can't really quite tell in the video, but they're not as green as the rest of the plant. Now I believe that is because of the nitrite deficiency. Like as I was saying, I'm having a nitrite problem, but I have not been getting any readings on the nitrites. So I believe once I start getting those nitrites going, then these plants will be green again, and if not, I will find some trace minerals to add into the water. And next part is the brains. So what I got going here is an RTC, real-time clock, checking the time well actually it's just checking the time, and it displays it on an LCD display that I got up at the top here. And every 10 minutes it turns on the water pump that is in the aquarium. And that's basically it. But some things I want to add to this is the capability of having the light on a timer, because I'm going to admit it, I have not really been keeping track of the 8-hour schedule. I turn it on before I leave for class, and then when I come back for class, no matter how late that is, that's when I turn it off. So I know sometimes it's 8 hours, but sometimes it's a lot more. So I definitely need to get that light on a timer. Something else I want to get going is an automated water feeder. So I actually got a small model here, where it's just a salsa container hooked up to a servo that shakes. It actually worked for a bit, but I'm having some problems with my RTC where it won't keep track of time for some reason. It keeps losing time. I've heard it's because of a capacitance issue or something like that. But I need to look into it. I need more time to look into it as well. The third thing I want to get going with this little box is some sort of data logging, or like some real-time data. So I actually got this pH sensor a couple months back. I have not installed it yet, but as y'all may have noticed, I do have a connection for it right there in the corner. That's going to connect back into here. So my water change schedule is pretty much every Friday and Monday, basically before I leave for the weekend and then when I came back for the weekend. What I do is I do a 25% water change, and then I also add aquarium salt. And the aquarium salt is actually this brand. API aquarium salt. And I'm also feeding these little fishies some Tetra Mix tropical flakes. They for some reason will eat everything but the clear, or I'm not sure, the light green flakes. So whenever I do my water change and I use the siphon to clean it up, I only get light green flakes that are coming up from the bottom. So I guess they just don't like that one. It sucks because I bought a whole container, so I guess they'll just have to deal with it. And that's basically what I got going on. Like I said, the main issue is that my nitrite level is too high, and it's been high for a long time. So any advice, any tips for what I can do, or anything y'all think I could probably fit in this dorm room within a reasonable time and reasonable energy put in, because I got other classes to work on as well, would be greatly appreciated. Also, I'm planning on making this about a weekly or bi-weekly update video. That way, whenever something goes wrong and I don't know what to do, I can always ask the community for help. And hopefully that fixes most of the issues. And that's Jason signing out. Thank you.